Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Honor Magic 8 Pro and the iPhone Air. Both pack cutting-edge tech. The Magic 8 Pro boasts a massive 7,200 mAh battery and a stunning 200 MP periscope telephoto camera, while the iPhone Air shines with its ultra-slim 5.6mm thickness and powerful Apple A19 Pro chip. Today, we'll dissect their displays, platforms, cameras, battery life, body durability, memory options, and standout features. Which screen dazzles brighter? Who rules the performance throne? Does camera prowess or battery endurance win the day? And ultimately, is the Magic 8 Pro's powerhouse approach better than the sleek sophistication of the iPhone Air? Let's dive deep and find out, starting with the display. The Honor Magic 8 Pro offers a slightly larger 6.71-inch LTPO OLED panel pushing 1800 nits brightness at high brightness mode and an impressive 6000 nits peak, perfect for vivid HDR content. In contrast, the iPhone Air's 6.5-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED peaks at 3000 nits, but is thinner and features a ceramic shield too for durability. The Magic 8 Pro's display stands out for its extraordinary peak brightness and advanced AI features like circadian night display and off-focus eye protection 2.0, making it ideal for eye comfort and outdoor visibility. This makes the Magic 8 Pro's screen the more immersive and versatile option technically and visually. Under the hood, the Magic 8 Pro runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with an octa-core CPU clocked up to 4.6 GHz, delivering raw power and efficiency. Meanwhile, the iPhone Air is powered by Apple's A19 Pro hexa-core chip, known for its optimized performance and seamless integration with iOS. The Snapdragon's higher core count and faster clock speed suggest superior multitasking and gaming potential, but the A19 Pro's architecture ensures smooth, power-efficient operation. For sheer performance muscle, the Magic 8 Pro's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 takes the edge here. Special features set each apart. The Magic 8 Pro includes emergency SOS via satellite, a dedicated AI button, and GPU-NPU heterogeneous AI supersampling for gaming and AI tasks. The iPhone Air counters with ultra-wideband Gen 2 support, an action button with camera control, and vapor chamber cooling for sustained performance. The Magic 8 Pro's AI button and advanced AI tech make it a powerhouse for smart interactions, while the iPhone Air's UWB and cooling excel in connectivity and thermal management. Camera-wise, the Honor Magic 8 Pro dazzles with a triple setup headlined by a 200 MP periscope telephoto lens, offering 3.7x optical zoom, ideal for capturing distant details with clarity. The iPhone Air's main sensor is a 48 MP wide lens with sensor shift OIS, excelling in stabilization and color accuracy. The Magic 8 Pro's ultra-high megapixel count and zoom capabilities make it the go-to for versatile photography, especially when zooming is crucial. Focusing on features, the Magic 8 Pro impresses with AI super zoom and seamless zoom technology, enhancing image clarity at long distances, plus a color spectrum sensor for richer colors. The iPhone Air counters with smart HDR5 and next-gen portrait controls, delivering stunning depth and dynamic range. The AI-driven zoom on the Magic 8 Pro gives it a clear advantage for those who prioritize zoom quality and vivid color reproduction. Battery is a game-changer. The Magic 8 Pro packs a massive 7,200 mAh battery, silicon-carbon lithium-ion battery, promising extended usage and faster charging with its 120-watt wired fast charging. The iPhone Air's 3,149 mAh battery is much smaller, but optimized for iOS efficiency. For users craving marathon sessions without constant recharging, the Magic 8 Pro's battery capacity is a decisive win. In terms of durability, the Magic 8 Pro offers IP68, IP69 certification, making it dust-tight and resistant to high-pressure water jets, plus the tough giant Rhino glass. The iPhone Air is IP68 rated for immersion up to 6 meters and features Apple Pay support and a remarkably slim 5.6mm profile, While the iPhone Air is thinner and supports more payment options, the Magic 8 Pro's superior water resistance and rugged glass make it more robust for extreme conditions. Memory options are competitive. The Magic 8 Pro offers up to 1 terabyte storage with up to 16 gigabytes RAM, providing ample space and multitasking power. The iPhone Air matches storage, but maxes out at 12 gigabytes RAM. For heavy users and power multitaskers, the Magic 8 Pro's higher RAM ceiling is a notable advantage. Finally, pricing. The Magic 8 Pro starts at $850, undercutting the iPhone Air's $999 base price. For users weighing cost versus features, the Magic 8 Pro offers more tech bang for the buck, making it a compelling value proposition.